Hey, what's up, everybody? So we're in the kitchen today. We got Chef Raz in the house, and I'm going to show you guys how to cook the breakfast of the champion. This is one of my favorite recipes, the oatmeal with overnight oats. So let's check out the ingredients real quick. I have some old-fashioned oats. I have some almond milk, some honey, some cinnamon. I have some blueberries, nice and fresh, one apple, one peach, and one banana. So let's get down to business and make this breakfast happen because I'm getting hungry. Okay, so first thing you want to do, you want to boil some water. Next, we're going to fill this bowl with oats, I would say halfway. There we go. And now, we're just going to add some hot water on top. Nice and easy. Gonna circle around. There we go. And on top a little more. I usually do this step right before I go to sleep. And then I let it sit overnight. And then in the morning, it's ready to be cooked. So I'm gonna stir a little bit. There we go. Just like that. Just a little more. Right here. Look how nice. Okay. Stir a little more. And we're just going to cover it with a top. And just let it sit overnight. Okay? And then tomorrow morning, we're actually going to cook the whole thing. Okay, so next step, we're going to add some milk. There we go. There we go. We are going to add the oats. They look fantastic, by the way. They pretty much cooked in their own juice. And all you have to do now is get them hot. We are going to stir really, really, really well. We are going to add some cinnamon. Not so much, just a little bit. And just a dash of salt too. Okay, we're going to stir some more. We're going to put the oats into this bowl. There we go. And now we're going to cover the oats with this top. And we're just gonna let it sit for a minute or two. And then all we have to do next is we're gonna top them off with some fruits, glaze it with a little honey, and that's it. Okay, so now the last step. We're gonna add a little more cinnamon. There we go. And we gotta add some peaches, some apples. We're gonna add some bananas right here. There we go. And we're just gonna top it off with a few blueberries. And we're just going to glaze the whole thing with some honey. And voila! It is absolutely ready. I hope you guys like it as much as I do. Let me know what you think. I am super excited to attack the day with this breakfast of the champion. And until next time, get out there, attack the day, and make it happen.